Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 22nd. This is my analysis of the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the euro dollar, very strong to the downside. I'm paying very close attention to these Fibonacci levels. I think at this point it's probably going to go to either the 50 or the 61%, maybe more likely to 61, before it actually does end up turning back up. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, I still think it's very clearly 1, 2, 3 waves down for the first three, 1, 2, 3 waves up for the second three, and I think we're in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which will make 5 waves down to one of these two Fibonacci levels for a 3-3-5 pattern, which is a very recognizable pattern in Elliot wave terms. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is the 1, I think this is the 2. I believe we're in a wave 3. Now, we are sitting at the 100% Fibonacci extension, which probably will be an area of resistance, but unless it goes all the way up here and breaks that high right here, I mean, this could go up a lot and still be in a downtrend on the daily time frame. So anyways, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here. Now I don't even know for sure that it is going to go up today. It just looks to me like it's probably a pretty good chance that it will, because we do have a little bit of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. But for me personally, if it goes up and breaks this high, then I'll know that this whole downtrend is over. Otherwise, anything I see to the upside is most likely, to me, just another correction to the last wave down. So let's take it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'd be a little bit cautious about going long, at least until we had a nice break and hold above this structure. If it does break and hold above that structure really well, then you can expect to at least see someplace between 38 and 78% Fibonacci retracement on this last move down. So, like I said, we're at the 105% Fibonacci extension on the daily time frame. Probably is going to be a pretty good area of resistance. So, if it does break above these highs, then as a short time frame trader, you could definitely be looking for longs. If you're more of a mid time frame trader, then you're probably going to wait to see if it makes 3 waves up to a Fibonacci level and then a pulse it down for another entry to go short. Like I said, as long as it doesn't go up here and break this high on the higher time frames, I'm definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.